Have you seen a machine that looks this good inside? Well, I'm here at DMG MORI in Fonton to talk with Claudio about the new CTX 450 4A. You have quite a few machines like this, so where would this fit in the range?
So it fits in the range of the new line CTX as a spin-off to provide to the user of CTX Universal Lathe more productivity, but keeping a simple and uniform usage for the operator.
Now you have a lot of customers at DMG MORI, so who would benefit from this type of machine?
So the concept is addressed to offer to the typical one turret lathe user to give him a growth in productivity in usage. So we address mainly the job shop that wants to do more.
Can you talk me through how the double spindle, the double turret, the 36 tool positions can help with that?
So when you have a six-sided machine, you start the machining on the main spindle. Then you have the synchronized sub-spindle that pick it up, and then you can work on the reverse side. Or vice versa also, because they are fully flexible. In addition, when you have complex parts or you need more tools to optimize, this you can distribute between the two turrets, and then you have a full flexibility of tool holders, because both turrets can work alone or together on both spindles. So you have free sequence of machining.
Now, I'd like to just go back to what you said about this machine is aimed at job shops. If they're running this machine lights out, how can you make sure that this will keep the precision and the accuracy that they would need?
The machine in general inherits solution from the full range of CTX premium machines, but for example, all spindle motors are water-cooled, and also the accuracy in long term, because a new machine with belt and pulley is naturally at the beginning precise as well, but play, elongation, deformation in the transmission, you have a degradation. Instead, when you have a scale, you bypass all this mechanical degradation, you always measure the movement of the tool.
Well, I want to talk more about flexibility on the machine, because there's many different turret configurations you can have with this.
Yes.
So talk me through them.
The turret are, first the machine was born with the VDE 40, which is a strong tooling for the VDE, which is a typical European quick change system. But we offer also variants with more tools, like here, 16 on the upper. And also we offer the variant with VDI 30, which is one size smaller. Another variant that has been presented for the first time here is that we can equip this machine also with a BMT tooling typical for the Moriseki former machine. So this goes in the other customer sets. So customer for a Japanese machine installed some years ago with the BMT, so block mounted tools, they can transfer this to the BMT 40 size as well. In this case, we have 16 and 16 tools, up and down.
Which, like you said, most people will think it'll be enough, but it's never enough. Never. On the forefront of people's minds at the moment is digitalization, but also sustainability. So how is this machine keeping up with those trends?
So the computer and so the control panel plays an important role. So sustainability, we have the auxiliary equipment like hydraulic, pneumatic, etc., which are, if we have pumps, you have always inverter pumps, so frequency controlled. If you don't need a lot of oil, the motors will slow down. If you need more, they will accelerate because it's controlled based on the demand. The heat exchanger also is an efficient way to cool, but the control gives you also the monitoring of the energy. So on the machine, we have installed an electric energy measuring device, and then this you can see with an app on the cello, so you can see your tools in your program, each tool how much kilowatt needed, and get an estimation. So maybe you rearrange the cutting speed and the other, and then you can see that it is better energy consumption.
Well, Dr. Claudio, I'd like to thank you so much for your time today. It's been great to hear all about this new machine.
Thank you.
If you could just sum it up in one sentence, what would it be?
The machine is an option to grow for a for a universal lathe to be more productive, more easy to automate, and keep in the Western country still a manufacturing location.